To receive constant, actionable tips to help you improve your quality of life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be the first to watch our new videos. Not many people take stock at the end of each day regarding how their day went and the things they were able to accomplish. Still, among those who practice this, not many find things to be grateful for, even though there are plenty. They focus on the things they wished had happened, or the things they were unable to do. When you recount your day to others, do you find that you have a less than enthusiastic tone? Here are 10 things you can be grateful for every day. Good health. Realize that some people do not end the day without taking medication or visiting the hospital, and then understand how much you are taking your health for granted. Just being able to breathe without aid, to not have an ailment, and be in good general health is something to be grateful for. Friends and family. Every day that you have your friends, family, and loved ones with you is a day to be grateful. Do you appreciate the time spent with your children, your husband, or your wife? Every day, do you appreciate your extended family, the calls from friends and distant relatives? You should. Basic comfort. Think of the homeless and the hungry whom you pass every day on your way back home. Take a minute and reflect on how much better their lives would be with basic comforts such as food and a roof over their heads. Do you see what you should be grateful for now? I bet you do. A chance. Even if you start every new day with nothing new, you will always have a chance to do better and be more. Every sunrise signals another opportunity to achieve our goals and work towards living our best life. What else could be better than this? Be grateful. New knowledge. As long as you're alive, you still learn. Every day, you are presented with knowledge about things you didn't know before, and that is indeed something to be grateful for. Grow. Every day is an opportunity to grow through lessons you learn from your mistakes. The dead cannot learn from their mistakes, nor correct them. Freedom. Every day, you get the freedom to go anywhere, be whatever you want to be, and express yourself. That is something to be grateful for. Don't think so? Then ask those in prison. Little pleasures. You might not have the most luxurious life, but you can go to a cooking class, walk your dog, play with the children at the park, and even have sleepovers. These are little pleasures that you can be grateful for every day. Feelings. Every day that you can see with your eyes, smell with your nose, and feel love in your heart is a day to be grateful. Hugs. Yes, hugs. Don't you love it when someone hugs you and smiles at you? If you get hugs from your loved ones, it's something to be grateful for every day. What things are you grateful for every day? Share with us in the comments. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends. For more hacks and advice on living a purposeful life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.